Want a custom keyboard feel without actually building one? The Wobkey Rainy 75 goes straight into that space, especially for users who care about typing feel and sound right out of the box. It comes pre-built, but still gives a surprisingly premium experience. Right from unboxing, it feels like you're getting more than usual. There's a carrying case and extra accessories included, which is rare now. The keyboard itself uses CNC-machined aluminum, so it's noticeably heavy, but that weight also makes it feel solid and well-finished on the desk. Setup is simple and flexible. You can use it wired, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz wireless, depending on your setup. And customization is handled through QMK VIA, so there's no need to install extra software. Just plug in and tweak. The real highlight is the typing experience. With double-shot PBT keycaps, linear switches, and internal foam layers, it delivers a clean, well-tuned sound and a smooth, consistent feel when typing daily. One thing to keep in mind, it's heavy. Great for stability, but not ideal if you plan to carry it around often. So for desk setups where feel, sound, and build matter more than portability, this is a very compelling pre-built option.